To arrange identical values into groups, drag the field you're interested in to the Group By drop zone in the table view. In this dataset with scientific articles, we drop the year field and can now see the number of articles each year. We can also add a secondary field to the grouping. Let's say we want to group by year and journal. Drop the journal field in the Add Field to Grouping drop zone to see the number of articles per year and journal. To change the aggregation function, double-click the column header. Instead of counting the number of articles, we could count something completely different, like the number of authors. Or we could change to another function, like sum or average. Another way to do this is to drop a field of interest, like citations for example, in the Apply Function drop zone. We then select sum as the function, and as a result we can now see the total number of citations of all the articles published each year in each journal.